So this is an update. We are casting, as you can see, the second half of the slab. Let me squeeze through here. I want to give you this view as well, so you can see it. Shows you the work that has been done on this side, which looks very, very nice. Boss, how tell you bulungi? Eh? Otudde munga ninja, eh? Alright. Otudde mu kika kya ninja. As you can see, the forest of poles holding the slab level up. This side I showed you the video of the slab upstairs, so you can take a look at that and see how it looks like. This is where we stand so far. We're setting up the beams. You see, it's very nice. So as we cast, look at this column right here. Look at that beauty. Look at that. Very nice. So as we cast the slab on the other side, we're preparing the next level on this side. See this? It's very well done. Let me go around the building so you can have an idea of the starters. Look at all that. Used materials. So we're still casting. We're going to cast this whole place. Okay. It's a solid cast. It looks very well done. It's proceeding well. We have cast half of the this level here. Okay. Yeah. Ruby. Very well done. Levels are well kept. Well maintained, well captured. That's an elevator shaft right there. I can't take you inside this forest, but I hope you can see what I'm seeing. Okay. This is one apartment set up. Let's go inside actually. Let's see how far we can go inside this apartment. Right? Let's go through this forest of poles. And you can see this pole. This is 15 to 20 millimeter. This is exactly what you're looking for. You don't want any of those thin things that cause a risk of anything, right? You need the big solid poles, 20 millimeter, 20 millimeter. That's what you're looking for. Okay? You can see very, very well out. See that? Well done. So you have your what you call it, your columns in here. Look at that. These ones I showed you from before. Look at this. You see that? That's 1.5. I didn't come with my tape measure today, but I wanted to show you how that looks like. Okay. Really huge, very strong and steady. Well done. We're going through. This is just one apartment, guys. It's one apartment. Okay. Let's come to the outside here. See that? Very well done. Very, very strong, solid, beautiful pole. Okay. So everywhere you see a pole, this is within the first apartment. This forest that we're in is the first apartment. Okay. Each apartment is 205 square meters, like I mentioned. So as I'm walking through, I'm also taking a look at the workmanship to see that everything is done well. I think you see the ducts that we talked about before. This is where the pipes of water will be running through. Let me give you an inside view of this duct. There you go. There you go. See? Sorry, I had to flip the phone, but only so you can see what I'm talking about, okay? This is it. We're in the dining room area over there. Okay. Then, of course, we have... Hey, Roots! Look how beautiful Ruby looks. She used to be skinny. But she's fat. Beautiful. Okay. There we are. That's all still one apartment, okay? Okay, so once we're done with the parking slot casting that we're doing there. We're going to do the staircase that will take us to the top. That way when we're recording these videos, we just walk straight up. We do not have to climb ladders and all that stuff. The makeshift ladders, we just use the real staircase that wraps around the elevator, okay? So, you can see that. This is our method. Yeah, Valia? This is our method that takes us upstairs. I won't use that for now. I'm going to give you a parting shot with this place here so that you can see where we stand. Very, very well done. I love it. I love it for sure. Alright, so I'll give you an update on the next one. Okay, thank you.